If you're getting ready to file your taxes, be prepared for another round of challenges. Last year was declared the worst tax filing season ever, and this year doesn't look much better. CBS Austin's Betty Cross found some of the key changes you should be aware of before you file.
The IRS is warning taxpayers to prepare for another frustrating filing season.
We're really heading into a tax season where the IRS is sort of underwater.
Garrett Watson is with the Tax Foundation. Staffing shortages due to COVID-19 and a backlog of millions of unprocessed returns from last year have him predicting more hassles than normal for some tax filers.
I think there are definitely new challenges heading into this year.
One challenge is all the tax law changes. Last year's child care expenses may be worth more at tax time than most parents realize. The American Rescue Plan provided a temporary expansion of the child care tax credit for 2021. That means more families are now eligible for a bigger tax break.
It's going to be really helpful for us.
Lindsay Cummings has a son in full-time childcare. On her tax return, the cap on eligible expenses for one child has been raised from $3,000 to $8,000. For a family with 2 or more children, the cap jumped from $6,000 to $16,000. In addition, families can write off up to 50% of childcare expenses, up from 35%.
As long as we're in a crisis like this right now, I think it's going to help a lot of people that need it.
Not all tax breaks created during the coronavirus pandemic survived.
Do you have the other shirt?
Chris Hills benefited when the American Rescue Plan waived federal taxes on up to $10,000 of unemployment benefits collected in 2020.
I got it in 2020. It was a struggle trying to look for a job and trying to figure out where I wanted to go. How you doing?
Chris has found a job, but for the 25 million people who got unemployment benefits in 2021, that tax break is gone.
All of the unemployment benefits that were provided this year are going to be considered taxable income.
If you didn't get the last stimulus check, your tax return is your last chance to stake a claim.
There may still be many households who still haven't gotten their full amount.
The IRS had until December 31st to send third-round stimulus checks of $1,400. If you still haven't received your payment or got less than you were eligible for, you can claim the money on your tax return by using the Recovery Rebate Credit.
Say, for example, you had a dependent fairly late last year, didn't receive a payment from them. You may be eligible during the tax season to pick up a $1,400 credit.
The best advice from experts this tax season is to file electronically, file accurately, request direct deposit for your refund, and
start early.
Betty Cross, CBS Austin News.